Okay, this steering knuckle and the hot bearing assembly. I just put on the lower control arm ball joint right here. This is the ball. You can see this. Once this is in, you can slide the ball right through it and just tighten it. Right now, I don't want to tighten the whole thing, all right? Same as this lower control arm ball. It's not total tightened yet. I want to keep it loose, easier to put this CV half shaft in. This side is going into the transmission, all right? This, okay, I loop with the transmission fluid, okay? CVT transmission fluid. On the other side, I definitely put a lot of grease on it, just in case it's rust, okay? And inside of this too, a lot of grease. So, all I gotta do is pick this up and slam this into place and push it in. All right, that's how you do it. And I guess I can do it with one hand. All right, let's stop right here.